Good day. I am Aristopanes Ramos and I'm here today to present about how the algorithm works and to discuss about both dataset using J48 algorithm. What is algorithm? A set of steps to accomplish a task. For example, bike to station, take train, walk to office, acquire bread. Or for making a toast sandwich in finding what you are looking for in the grocery store. In computer science, algorithms is a set of steps for computer program to accomplish a task. Algorithm put the science in computer science, and finding good algorithm and knowing when to apply them will allow you to write interesting and important programs. For example, Google Hangout that is using audio and video compression algorithm. Google Maps using route finding algorithms. Pixar using rendering algorithms. NASA using optimization and scheduling algorithms. Those algorithms are more complex than our everyday algorithm, but they are built in the same thing as a set of steps to accomplish a task. What algorithm should we use? If you know existing algorithm, you can save some effort and make your program run faster by applying the right one. For example, you are coding a game and you want the user to play against the computer. You can look at the checker game for inspiration. Scientists have figured out how to write checker program that never lose by using the Minimax algorithm. It is also important how to design new algorithms as well as how they analyze its correctness and efficiency. For example, biological science. New algorithms are continually designed for purposes like designing the molecular structures that are the core of disease-fighting drugs. In physics, algorithms simulate climate and weather patterns. What makes a good algorithm? The two most important criteria that it solves a problem and that it does efficiently. Most of the time, we want an algorithm to give us an answer that we know is always correct. Sometimes, we can leave an algorithm that doesn't give us the correct answer or the best answer because the perfect algorithm is that we know for those problems take a long time to process. For example, let's say we want a program that determines the route for a truck to deliver a package starting and ending the day at the depot. It would take weeks to run program through all the possibilities, but if we're okay with a program that determines the route, that's good but maybe not the best if it's not run in seconds. In some case, good is good enough. How do you measure efficiency? Computer scientists use the asymptotic analysis, which allows algorithms to compare independently of a particular programming language or hardware so that we can conclusively say that yes, some algorithms are more efficient than others. My next uh, presentation is the both dataset using J48 algorithm. I already reprocessed the both dataset and below are the current relation with 17 attributes and 435 instances and the 435 sum of weights. The 17 attributes are as follows: handicap infants, water project cost sharing, adaptation of the budget resolution, physician fee freeze, El Salvador aid, religious group in school, anti-satellite test ban, aid to Nicaraguan Contras, MX missile, Sinfuels Corporation cutback, education spending, Super Fund right to sue, crime duty-free exports, Export Administration Act South Africa, and class. The visualization represents the outcome of the variables produced by the both data set. As I use the J48 algorithm for both dataset and testing mode, the accuracy for cross-validation shows the 96.3218% with an accuracy of 3.6782% and the time taken to build was 0.01 second. The used training set also shown with accuracy of 97.2414% and an accuracy of 2.7586% with 0 seconds of time taken to build model. Percentage split is showing the 97.2973% accuracy with an accuracy of 2.7027% and 0 second of time taken to build model. The confusion matrix shows that cross-validation with 259 and 8 for A for Democrat and B with 8 and 160 for Republican. Used training set also shows that the Democrat generates the 261 and 6 and Republican 162 and 6. Percentage split generates also for Democrat 83 and 1 and B for Republican 3 and 61. The conclusion: the data mining is a technique to drill database for giving meaning to the approachable data. It involves systematic analysis of large data sets. The classification is used to manage data. Sometimes tree modeling of data helps to make prediction about new data. Thank you for watching.